Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand voice with Sprout Social, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your brand voice, start by defining your brand's personality and values. Identify the tone you want to convey in your communications. Create brand guidelines that detail language, style, and messaging specific to your brand. Log into your Sprout Social account and navigate to the publishing section. Use the editorial calendar to plan your content in advance. Schedule your posts to ensure consistent messaging across platforms. Utilize the content feature to manage different types of posts, such as images and videos. Set up approval workflows to maintain oversight on published content. Engage team members by assigning roles specific to content creation and publishing. Leverage the smart inbox to monitor brand conversations in real time. Respond to comments and messages promptly to uphold your brand voice. Use the analytics tools within Sprout Social to track engagement and brand sentiment. Regularly review your data to identify trends and adapt your messaging accordingly. Conduct periodic audits of your social media content to ensure alignment with your brand voice. Gather feedback from your audience to fine-tune your communication style. Consistently update your brand guidelines as your voice evolves over time. This will aid in maintaining a strong and coherent brand presence across all platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.